Just because we are creating something that is seen on the screen does not mean that is cold or distant from the user. For the first season in Netflix's The Witcher experience, Welcome to the Continent, we created this interactive map which essentially mapped out all of the crucial events of the series, but now we expanded our interactive map into basically creating the show's ultimate companion website.
There's so much lore and so much stories to be told around this whole world, the continent, and there's so many things happening. We wanted to create a sort of evergreen place or one source of truth of everything Witcher related, and then Netflix show Witcher related. So not per se about the books or about the games, but only about the Netflix version of The Witcher.
Here, the users can traverse the map, untangle timelines, discover original, particular content or Easter eggs about the show. Typically, a content-heavy site would go down more of like a wiki-style route.
But we're working for Netflix here, and Netflix is all about storytelling. So we cannot just create a Wikipedia site, we need to create something more. And that's where we started implementing this whole narrative where people could interact, dive in, discover Easter eggs, be guided by a voiceover or a narrator that took you through this website.
We decided that the landing page was kind of the star of the show. It's not only us kind of cross-linking to other sections of the site, but it's the red carpet moment where the user essentially lands and learns about the show. So it really felt natural for us.
Our aha moment definitely came when we created the monolith as a connective tissue to all the things you can do on the website. Because before that, it almost turned out to be a boring website. And with this invention of the monolith, which is also very tied to the show, because it's one of the biggest mysteries in the show, it's also something that is very ownable by the Netflix Witcher show. It's not something you read that much about, or maybe not even at all in the books.
So development had to be very involved from the beginning, just because we wanted to stay true as much as possible to the actual logic of the show. So everything is kind of like linked and tied to one another, not only in the sitemap, but also like aesthetically and visually. So we were able to execute this website due to the collaborative nature of our team, creating a product that wasn't only immersive and visually striking, but also simple and functional and easily understandable for users.
We mostly use WebGL. We have our own WebGL engine, our own build, and we use that a lot throughout the entire website.
The boundaries between different media are breaking down, and now the website can be the central hub of it all. The fact that this website is not a replica of the show, but rather a new element that kind of gets the user more involved in the lore is something that is kind of showing the potential of digital experiences.
So for me, one of the most exciting things about this website is the attention of detail everybody, the whole team put into this website. From every single little pixel, we thought about it, how it should move like, look like, sound like. And I really hope that also other people would also see that.